The greatest sacrifice you want is a broken spirit. God, you will gladly accept the heart that is broken because of sadness. Wow, that's beautiful. It says the greatest sacrifice you want is a broken spirit. I want somebody to hear that word right there. See, God doesn't want you to come to Him perfectly. He wants you to come in your brokenness. But listen what He says next. You will gladly accept the heart that is broken because of sadness over sin. See, your sin, it must make you sad. Because what sin does, it separates us from the Father. And like David said in the Psalm, that God is a just judge. He sees what we do. Like David said, I've sinned in your sight. We sin in God's sight. God sees everything, and we cannot hide from our sin. That's why David is confessing in the Psalm the sins and the brokenness and just the sadness of sinning against God.